Hello to you from Lake Travis in Austin, Texas. And this video is about so this video is for those of you who have had your signature program for quite some time and it's not selling. It's not selling. And here's the thing. I see a lot of people doing so many different things and just being busy in doing podcasts and doing posting in Facebook groups and going to networking events and trying to do workshops that are actually something else that has nothing to do with your signature program, but somehow you got a template for this other workshop, whatever that is, and you're trying to use that to promote your signature program. It's kind of a mismatch. It doesn't work, okay? Or you're doing Twitter or Instagram or whatever. There's so many different things. Or webinars. There's so many different things. And I'll tell you what worked for me and what I see actually works for people, and it's very simple. It's just two things you need to develop and design. And I talk about them all the time. One is your signature talk. So you go and speak. Okay, that's the first thing you do is you go and speak. At the end of each talk, you make an offer, and the offer is to a discovery session with you. So that's step 2, okay? So step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, you speak, you make an offer at the end of your talk, to step 2, which is your discovery session. Except you don't call it discovery session because that doesn't seem all that exciting. What are we going to discover? You want to make it a review, game plan, roadmap, blueprint session where you walk people through the steps they need to take to get transformation, okay? And you give them specific action steps and you help them think through how they're going to get from the stuck point where they're at right now to the bright and awesome future, okay? So you're going to walk them through it, give them a lot, and then you're going to, at the end of the discovery session, you're going to offer them your blueprint, your signature program. Make sense? So are they gonna say yes all the time? No, of course not. The conversion rate in the industry standard, it's like 20% or something, but at the beginning you're gonna have more like 5%. You might, in the first group of 20, you're gonna have probably one person that says yes. I mean, you could be awesome at it, you could be a natural, but just because I'm saying this, because people do 3 of them and then they like, oh, nobody's saying yes to me and I'm a failure and blah 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 blah, and then they go back to hiding. Okay, so in the first group of 20 discovery sessions, you're going to convert 1 person. If you convert more than that, then you're a huge success. Makes sense? If you convert less than that, then that's totally okay. You just need to practice. Okay, and then it gets better and you'll get to 20-30% conversion rate as you go. Make sense? Alright, so your signature talk, if you're not getting 20 people to sign up for a discovery session with you, the first couple of signature talk you won't, it's highly possible that nobody will sign up. It does not mean anything. It just means that you need to practice. And you need to practice your offer in front of you. It still happens to me when I do practice. I get 1-2 people to sign up, and then I'm like, oh, what did I do wrong? And I feel terrible about myself. I'm like, oh, I should know this by now. Whatever. And I go into some kind of, nobody likes me. Whatever. Okay. Once in a while, I also have 60% of the room sign up. Right, but the average that I get is probably, I would say 28-30%, something like that. And it does not matter whether I do a free offer or a paid offer. It's quite interesting. I try to charge whenever I can. There's some exceptions. Some organizations that just don't let you charge, and I try to not do it too much because it can be a little rough, and I try to keep these calls pretty short. But the sign-up rate for when I charge, when I don't charge, is about the same. Okay, people take it a little. I think my theory on that is people, some people don't really feel comfortable taking something of high value for free, and they somehow feel that they're going to be obligated to take the next step with you or something, and it's just this weirdness, right? So I like there to be an exchange. right? So they feel like they're paying for the huge value they're getting. It makes them feel better. It covers my time, at least partially, and it's great, right? So I know I wanted a tangent about that. Okay, so signature talk. When you deliver your talk a few times, probably the first few times nothing's going to happen, especially if you don't know how to do an effective offer and you don't have anything in place for that. You're not going to be successful at the beginning, but that's okay. That's okay. Alright, because you're not supposed to be born good at this. You have to do it and practice doing it. But this does work, okay? So what you need to do, just stick to this one strategy and keep doing it and keep doing it and keep showing up and giving talks and applying to new speaking opportunities. And every time you give your talk, you get better and better and better. So that's all I got for you. That's kind of how I started. Now, of course, like with time going, I had different things. I had a meetup group, I had online program, I had the workshop and this and that and Facebook group and whatever you have. There's other things you can do, but this is the most simple and straightforward funnel. You don't even need to have a website to do this. And literally, like, if that's what's holding you back, that you don't have a great website, now that's really silly, because you know 99.9% people who meet you will never ever go to your website. Like, how often do you go to networking meetings and you meet people and you say, okay, I'm gonna go check out this person's website? You don't. Nobody does. Your website's a whole other animal. I'll talk about it in one of the next videos. But most people, unless you drive them there, don't go there. Okay, so you want to stick to the basics when you're starting out. Alright, so signature talk, blueprint, game plan, roadmap, session of some sort, your signature program. Those are 3 things you need to have in place and nothing else. Alright, so hope this is helpful, and I will see you in the next video.